Here in this question, it is given the radius of the circle, the period of revolution of the initial position, and then sense of revolution are indicated in the figure. It is shown here. Y projection of the radius vector of rotating particle P. Here the particle is starting from the y-axis. Time t equal to 0. It is on the y-axis at the distance 3 meter, the radial distance. So it is rotating in the clockwise direction. What is the y projection of the radius vector? Here they are asking. This is the thing we are going to discuss now. First we can draw the given diagram. Here it is given that circle. There is a clockwise rotation. They are asking they are given the period of revolution as well as this particle is rotating in the circle. This axis represents the x-axis. This axis represents the y-axis. So the starting point is at y point. This is a particle is starting from the y-axis at time t equal to 0. The radius of the circle it is given. It is 3 meter. The period of revolution it is given. That means the time taken by the particle to complete one revolution, that is a period. The time is equal to 4 seconds. So within the 4 seconds or of exactly at 4 seconds it will complete one revolution. That is the meaning of the period of the revolution. They are asking y projection of the radius vector. That means suppose if this is a radius vector, its length of the radius vector is 3 meter. This is rotating in the clockwise direction. So if this is a starting point, if it is rotating like this, so you have to take the angle from the y-axis. That is the extraction of the rotation of the vector. So you have to the angle variation from the y-axis. That is the extraction angle from the y-axis of this vector. So the projection of the vector, they are asking what is a y projection of the radius vector. The projection of the radius vector along the y-axis in general, it is represents y equal to the y naught, the amplitude of the vector times, because the theta extraction from the y-axis, so it will be the cos theta, or in general the theta is the angular variation. The angular velocity is equal to angular displacement by time taken. This is general definition. So if you are writing the angular variation theta in terms of the angular velocity time, that will be equal to omega times t. If you are rearranging, it will give the theta is equal to omega times t. This is a y projection of the radius vector. Now we will substitute the values. The amplitude is nothing but the y naught at starting point. It is equal to the radius. So that will be equal to the y naught is equal to radius. Radius is given. It's a 3 meter. So y naught is equal to 3 cos of omega. The angular velocity is equal to angular displacement by time taken. For one complete revolution, the angular displacement it is 2 pi r divided by the time taken is the capital T, the period of the revolution. So for one complete revolution, this is a angular displacement divided by the time taken. Actually it's a 2 pi. It will take 2 pi degree. Here actually it's not like exactly 2 pi r. So for one complete revolution, the angular displacement, it's a theta. The theta value would be 2 pi. It will take for one complete revolution 2 pi angle, 2 pi radian. That in terms of if you are represent radian, 2 pi radian divided by the time taken. So 2 pi, the time taken we know for one complete revolution, that is a period of revolution. It is given 4 seconds. So 4 seconds. Omega equal to 1 to 2 2 to 4 pi by 2. Hence the y equal to 3 cos omega times t is omega, we got it, it's a pi by 2 time t. So where y is in meter, here we are measuring this quantity in meter. So this would be the best representation for the radius vector in the y axis or y projection of the radius vector along the y axis or on the y axis. You can say yes, exactly, you can say on the y axis the radius vector projection y equal to 3 cos pi pi 2 times t. This would be the best answer for this graph. So from the above discussion we got the answer y of t equal to 3 cos pi by 2 times t, where y is in meter. So here I didn't give all the option. The option 4 is anyway that is the right answer.